Brian Cabe, president of Seaboard Signs and Engraving here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We've been in the sign business since 1988. We started Seaboard Signs. We've gone from a simple vinyl shop up to our 6,000 square foot facility here and manufacturing our own UL listed signs. And doing the service work is definitely the key to growing. We started manufacturing our own lighted signs and channel letters, and to be able to service them is a necessity. And that's why we went and bought the van ladder so we could change lamps and retrofit signs to LED now, and one-man operation. The van ladder makes it easy to get to. It's much more versatile than my other truck. No outriggers, pull into a single parking spot, one man. Plenty of storage on the truck we got all our lamps stored on the truck, and makes it simple. And I have a good serviceman. He knows exactly where his stuff is.
We don't have to go to the shop, everything's on the truck. We've added some extra places to put fluorescent light bulbs and stuff in it. So we've got every size that they make basically on the truck. And yeah, I mean, it's a hardware store with what we got in there, so it's pretty nice.
The best thing about your truck and advertising on a truck, you get the biggest bang for your buck. You have your employee inside of the truck, and they're there to represent your business as well. They can talk about the business, tell people information that they need to know about what's going on. All the while, you get all this free real estate to advertise your business with. Going down the highway, multiple locations, billboards don't move, trucks do. I would say there'd probably be 3 times the value of a standard stationary billboard, whatever that price is. And so why not, pay for advertisement and a vehicle at the same time?
It's been awesome. Like I said, I got a great work crew right now, and things couldn't be any busier.